Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads, an SEO service, small business in Abington. I was just doing some research in our area, came across your business, so I thought I'd shoot you the screencast video, just giving you some insight into how you're doing online. And if you'd like to learn anything more about how Christy's Leads can assist, please reach out via phone, email, or text, and if not, no harm, no foul. So I'm going to go over keywords, content, citations, and backlinks today. I'm going to start on the front page of your website here and talk about keywords and content. So you have your phone number here, which is good, your logo, and a call to action to schedule service, which is good. So Google generally likes to see about 1,500 words of content on the front page. It helps make you relatable and helps Google figure out what you want to do and where. So within those 1,500 words of content, I throw in about 10 highly searched keywords, and those are the words you want to try to appear first for. So putting them in your content in the right place allows you to do that. So the next one to talk about is the map pack and citations. So I just did a search for plumbers, Montgomery County. I could have done plumbing services. There's lots of different ways that people search for the same thing on Google. So one way to optimize your website is to figure out what it is being searched the most and appear first for those. So you have your Google guaranteed ads here, and then you have your map pack. Map pack's a great place to be because it's high visibility. It's 5 lines on Google. It's a click to call on a mobile phone, and your website's right there. In order to get here, you have to go through a small process with Google to verify your business. And then you want to have a lot of citations, more than your competitors. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Angie's, Yelp, and Yellow Pages. And then you just keep up with them on a monthly basis to make sure that you're staying ahead of the game. So if you are top spot organically in the map pack and top spot organically underneath it, appearing without an ad, then you statistically get 80% of the people that come to the page for this search word, which is a good amount of traffic. So in order to get here organically, you want to have strong backlinks. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. It could be a blog about plumbing and someone mentions your website, and that is the backlink, and that blog is a referring domain. So I'm going to show you how many, what your numbers are here. So this is a tool I have called Ahrefs, gives me insight into lots of web pages. Here you are. Here are your backlinks and referring domains. So quality and quantity matter here. So you want to make sure it's like kind of getting the Nikes or the store brand. The better quality, the more powerful your website's going to be. And these are the keywords you're ranking for and the traffic you're bringing. So I'm going to go into your keywords. And while they're loading, I'll just show you one competitor, Goodman, the backlinks, domains, their keywords, and the traffic that they're getting. So here we are. So drain cleaning, Collegeville, PA, 350 searches, which is a lot, 0 KD, and you're in spot 3, which is great. Drain cleaning, Collegeville, slightly different, spot 5, which might put you on the second page. These might put you on the second page in spot 7, but these are great search volume for sure with the easiest level, which means it's not a lot of money and it's not a lot of time to rank. This is good search volume, but the KD is so high. So let's see, Plumber, Norristown, PA, 150 searches, 2 KD, which is still low. It goes all the way to 100. Spot 13, which is definitely on the second or third page. So is spot 7. So it looks like these spots are all like beyond the first page, which is just, you're just hiding there in Google. So although these keywords are in here, they're not, they need to be tagged and to be placed correctly and to have strong backlinks behind them to help appear, for you to appear for when people are searching for these words. So I hope the video was helpful. If you'd like to learn anything more about Christy's Leads, please reach out. My door is always open, and I'd love to have a 10-minute conversation with you. And, if the timing's not right, I understand. No harm, no foul. I just appreciate you watching. Thanks so much and have an awesome day.